Welcome to the Colonial building, a shared living experience right in the heart of the Ithaca Commons. Apartments in this building are studio efficiencies, which means you have your own private living area and bathroom, and each floor has a lounge and a kitchen for tenants to share. We're here today to see apartment 305, a unit on the third floor. Let's head on in. The unique thing about apartment 305 is that it shares a private hallway and bathroom with apartment 306, its neighbor. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom has a vanity and medicine cabinet, as well as a shower and tub combo. Let's head on into the apartment. Every studio efficiency comes with a microwave and a mini refrigerator, as well as 5 pieces of furniture, a full-size bed, a desk and chair, a bookcase, and a dresser. One great feature of the Colonial building is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. This apartment has a window facing east with a view over the roofs toward neighboring buildings. Finally, every Colonial apartment comes with plenty of closet space. Rent for apartments in the Colonial building includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees, and electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Colonial 305. Call us today for availability.